This NuWave Bravo Pro Smart 21-quart toaster oven air fryer combo is designed for modern households that want speed, precision, and flexibility without filling their kitchen with multiple appliances. Combining the power of an air fryer, convection oven, toaster oven, grill, and dehydrator into one compact countertop unit, the Bravo Pro aims to simplify cooking while delivering consistent, restaurant-quality results. It is built for people who value performance but also want full control over how their food is cooked. From its stainless steel exterior to its refined digital interface, the Bravo Pro immediately gives the impression of a thoughtfully engineered appliance. The compact 21-quart capacity makes it ideal for apartments, small kitchens, RVs, and motorhomes, yet it still offers enough internal space to cook a full family meal. It can comfortably fit a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, a medium roast, or multiple trays of snacks, making it a practical choice for everyday cooking as well as entertaining. One of the standout features of the NuWave Bravo Pro is its high-speed convection fan system, which circulates hot air more efficiently to create crisp, evenly cooked food in less time. This enhanced airflow allows the oven to produce golden, crunchy textures without relying on excessive oil. Whether air frying fries, roasting vegetables, or reheating leftovers, the results are consistently even across multiple layers, eliminating the need to rotate trays mid-cook. Customization is where this appliance truly excels. The Bravo Pro allows users to independently control the top and bottom heating elements, adjusting their power from 0 to 100%. This level of control is rare in countertop ovens and opens the door to precise cooking techniques. For pizza lovers, this means being able to create the perfect balance between a crisp bottom crust and evenly melted cheese. For bakers, it allows better heat management for breads, pastries, and desserts. The Bravo Pro includes 10 smart pre-programmed cooking functions, covering air fry, grill, bake, reheat, bagel, pizza, toast, broil, waffle, dehydrate, frozen foods, and keep warm. These presets take the guesswork out of daily cooking, while still allowing manual adjustments for users who prefer hands-on control. Temperature can be set anywhere from low heat for gentle warming up to high heat for searing and crisping, with precise adjustments in small increments. Another major advantage is the multi-layer even cooking system. Traditional countertop ovens often struggle with uneven heat distribution, especially when cooking on multiple racks. The Bravo Pro minimizes temperature differences between layers, ensuring food cooks evenly regardless of rack position. This makes it possible to prepare multiple dishes at once, saving time and energy while maintaining consistent results. Ease of use is reinforced by the enhanced interactive digital display. The bright, easy-to-read screen provides real-time cooking information and responds quickly to touch inputs. Even users new to smart kitchen appliances will find the interface intuitive. The included accessories, such as the air fry basket, baking pan, cooking rack, and removable crumb tray, are designed for convenience and easy cleanup, further reducing daily effort. From an SEO perspective, the NuWave Bravo Pro naturally aligns with high-intent search terms like toaster oven air fryer combo, smart countertop convection oven, multifunction air fryer oven, and compact air fryer toaster oven. Its combination of power, customization, and compact design makes it a strong contender in the premium countertop appliance category. Key features and benefits: high-speed convection fan for faster, crispier cooking, adjustable top and bottom heating elements for precise control, 10 built-in cooking functions for everyday versatility, multi-layer even cooking with minimal temperature variation, compact 21-quart capacity suitable for small spaces, user-friendly digital display with responsive controls. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent cooking speed with consistent, even results. Advanced customization for pizza, baking, and roasting. Compact size without sacrificing internal capacity. Multiple cooking functions replace several appliances. Intuitive controls suitable for beginners and experienced cooks. Cons: learning curve for users unfamiliar with heater customization. Countertop footprint may feel large in very tight spaces. Accessories require storage when not in use. Final verdict: the NuWave Bravo Pro Smart 21-quart toaster oven air fryer combo is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a powerful, space-efficient cooking solution with professional-level control. It strikes a rare balance between automation and customization, making it suitable for quick meals, detailed recipes, and everything in between. If you want one appliance that can replace several others while delivering reliable, high-quality results, this model deserves serious consideration. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and explore everything the Bravo Pro can do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.